Welcome students. Welcome to the final year engineering subject 2015 pattern, and the name of the subject is the radiation and microtechniques. This subject is related with the how the actual radiation takes place and how the particular macro signal can be transmitted from one point to the another point, and how the different techniques are adopted to radiate and handle the specific micro signal. Now, teaching scheme is 3 hours per week, and the examination scheme is there are two examinations takes place for the theory paper. One is the in-sem examination is of 30 marks, which is conducted in a mid semester, and second one is the end semester examination, which is conducted after the completion of the semester, having the 70 marks. This subject have the some practicals also. That practicals is combined with the computer network and security under the head of the lab practice 1. The main course objectives of this subject is to introduce the fundamental theory of radiation and the microwave signals and even the microwave systems. Another objective is to understand the design principle of various radiating elements. Third objective is to understand the theory of passive and active component of microwave systems. And the fourth objective is to learn the microwave measurement techniques. On the completion of this course, the learner will able to differentiate the various performance parameters of a radiating element. This is the outcome of the subject. Second outcome is that analyze various radiating element and arrays. The third outcome is apply the knowledge of waveguide fundamentals in design of transmission lines. Fourth outcome is that design and set up the system consisting of various passive micro component. Fifth outcome is that analyze the tube systems, solid state active devices and their applications. And the sixth outcome is that the students are able to measure the various performance parameter of the microwave component. Next is the syllabus of this subject. This particular subject is affiliated to Pune University, and according to that we have the 6 different units for that. Unit number 1 is a focus specifically the fundamental component of the specific radiation of the signal and the different radiating elements used in that. The second unit is the again the radiating element, to observe analyze the radiating element and the different arrays of the element that we need to be understand and how their functioning will be takes place, that also we need to be analyzed one. Third unit focus on the transmission line and the waveguides, where your microwave signals can be transmitted through the waveguides, and we need to be analyzed properly what is the structure, how the waves can be transmitted and how it can be analyzed properly. Unit number 4 is focusing on the whatever the different passive components which are used in a constructing of the microwave setup arrangement, and that's why we need to be need to be understand the principle of the specific macro component, passive component. Fifth unit is focus on the different sources which are generating the macro signal, and that is normally called as the active macro component. And these particular components, their principles, their constructions, and their working, we need to be study and we need to be understand one. Unit number 6, that gives us the idea about how the particular micro signals can be measured, can be analyzed, can be observed on the different setups like digital storage oscilloscope, like network analyzer, like different oscilloscopes over there. So these are the contents of the particular subject. Now looking into the particular syllabus, the textbooks and the reference books are given over there. Normally unit number 1 and 2 is related with the antenna designing and antenna mechanism. So the textbook C.A. Balnis, Antenna Theory, Analysis and Design, John Willey. So this book is referred by me. The students are instructed to refer the same book for the understanding the specific concept. The other unit number 3, 4, 5, 6, that is for the analysis and setups of the micro devices, and that's why both the books, textbook 2 and textbook 3, can be used. Moreover, if you want to have the detailed analysis of that, so there are some reference books are given. So time to time, whenever we are learning the particular units, I will instruct you how the particular books, which books are used in a particular content. Practical examination scheme, as I already told that there is a 2 subject combining takes place over there. So practical exam takes place on the basis of the combination of the computer network and security as well as the radiation and microwave techniques under the head of lab practice 1. There are 2 heads for that. One is the oral examination and of 50 marks, and second one is the term work examination of the 50 marks. List of the experiment. In the list of the experiment for the radiation microwave techniques, there are 11 experiments are given in 2 groups. Group A is related with the simulation of the particular antenna analysis, and group B is related with the hardware, which we need to be set up the arrangement and we need to be analyze the component. So out of 11, we need to be perform at least 8 experiment among all. Thank you very much.